Hi everyone, welcome back to CJ.Kids Corner. For today's video, I'm excited to share another simple and budget-friendly learning material that you can easily make at home or in school. This is my DIY CVC picture and word flashcard set. The size of each card is 2 by 2 inches, making it perfect for little hands. I designed this in Canva because it's easy to edit and organize. Here's how I made it. First, I created the layout and placed all the pictures on the first page. I chose colorful and familiar images that children can easily recognize. Then, on the second page, I placed the corresponding CVC words. The goal is that when the pages are printed back to back, the picture will be on one side and the word will be exactly at the back. After arranging everything, I printed the pages back to back. Kailangan lang yun og saktong alignment para match ang picture and ang word. Once printed, I use a paper cutter to cut each card neatly. You can also use scissors, but a paper cutter gives cleaner and straighter edges. The last step is laminating the cards. I highly recommend laminating because it helps preserve the material. We all know that kids love to explore, touch, and sometimes bend their learning materials. Kung laminated siya, mas durable, waterproof, and pwede pa gyud magamit for many school years. Now let's talk about why this material is very important. These flashcards help children develop their letter recognition, phonics awareness, vocabulary, and early reading skills. Instead of simply memorizing words, children can connect the picture with a written word, making learning more meaningful and engaging. There are so many ways to use these cards. You can show the picture and ask the child to read the word. You can also show the word and let them identify the picture. You can play matching games, memory games, sorting activities, or even simple spelling challenges. Learning doesn't have to be boring. It can be interactive and fun. As teachers and parents, we know that young learners understand concepts better when they can see and touch the materials. Hands-on activities help improve focus, confidence, and language development. One of my goals through CJ Kids Corner is to create affordable and accessible learning resources that anyone can use. Dili kinahanglan mahal ang teaching materials para effective ang learning. Sometimes, simple materials like this can make a big difference. If you'd like to make your own set, I hope this video inspires you. If you enjoy educational content like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CJ Kids Corner. Every like, every share, and every comment encourages me to continue creating free and practical learning materials for teachers, parents, and most especially for our kids. Daghang salamat for supporting me. Together, let's make learning fun, meaningful, and accessible for every child. See you in my next video. Bye!